guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Shantae, also known as Naturally Shining. So today, as you read in the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a smoothie bowl. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my smoothie bowl. I usually make it for breakfast. Sometimes I have it as a snack for lunch, you know. Yes. So before we get into this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and also subscribe to the channel if you have not already, okay? I don't know what you're doing if you have not yet, okay? Make sure that you click that bell so that you don't miss a video whenever I upload. So let's jump into this video. Alright, you guys, so first thing first, I'm going to use my fruit and chai. I actually put it in the freezer so that this one is frozen. Alright. Now, I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. I literally measured it out this time because that's now I'm going to add just a little bit more fruit. I'm going to add some asparagus. And I'm going to be adding some pineapple. This is also from Del Monte. It's fruit refreshers. It's pineapple and passion fruit juice. So this is really good. I'm just adding some pineapple to it. I'm really not adding the juice too much. I'll just eat it and drink it. So this is all the fruit I'm going to be using. You know, very simple. I got the bowl. So I'm just going to pour it in. Alright, so the bowl is ready. And we're just going to add our fruit to it. Alright guys, so I hope that you actually enjoy this video of me making my smoothie bowl, because honestly it tastes on point, tastes good. Had to make my daughter one because she copies everything. She wants everything that I have. But you know, she's my little mini-me. So yes. So I'm about to go enjoy this. And you guys have a wonderful and blessed day. Stay beautiful, stay safe out there. And again, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, okay? And click that bell. Alright? I'll be back with another video. Peace out.